Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the PreSonus Eris Studio 8 monitors, specifically this bundle that includes a pair of these impressive 8-inch speakers along with two 10-foot 1/4-inch TRS instrument cables. At the heart of each monitor is an 8-inch woven composite low-frequency driver. This driver is key to delivering sound that PreSonus describes as crystal clear and transparent. They boast a maximum output of up to 106 dB, which is certainly plenty of volume for most studio environments, ensuring you can hear your mix accurately even at higher levels. One of the standout claims is the deep bass response. Thanks to that 8-inch driver and a carefully designed ported enclosure, these monitors are said to reach down to an astonishing 35 Hz. This means, according to the specs, you might not even need a separate subwoofer to get a solid understanding of your low end, which is a significant advantage for many producers and engineers working in smaller spaces where a sub might be impractical or overkill. The woven composite material of the driver contributes to this performance, providing rigidity for accurate low-frequency reproduction. For the high frequencies, the Eris Studio 8 utilizes a custom-designed EBM waveguide. This isn't just for looks, it's engineered to provide a superior high-frequency response and, crucially, a broad 120-degree horizontal dispersion. What this translates to is a wide and controlled sweet spot. You don't have to be locked into one tiny position directly between the speakers to hear an accurate representation of your mix, offering more flexibility when working alone or collaborating with others in the studio. Studio monitors can sound very different depending on the room they're in, and room acoustics are a major challenge for accurate mixing. The Eris Studio 8 addresses this with built-in acoustic tuning controls. These controls allow users to adjust the monitor's response to better suit their specific mixing environment, helping them achieve the flattest possible frequency response for more reliable mixing decisions that translate well to other playback systems. Connectivity is straightforward with 1/4-inch TRS inputs, making them compatible with most audio interfaces and mixers. They are active monitors, meaning they have built-in amplification with a maximum output power of 140 watts, so you don't need a separate power amp. They are designed for tabletop mounting, which is typical for near-field studio monitors. And as mentioned, this particular bundle adds value by including those two 10-foot TRS cables, so you have what you need to connect them right out of the box and get started with your mixing or listening tasks. Overall, the PreSonus Eris Studio 8 appears to pack a lot of professional features into a monitor designed for accurate audio work.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.